Hey YouTube, I wanted to hop on here and show y'all this new product that I came across. It's called the Wunder Brow, and I kind of wanted to do like a little review on it. I haven't used it before. So it comes in like this little bottle. It's kind of like a mascara bottle, but the tip of it just has, it's like a little paintbrush. So I wanted to go ahead and review it. I picked it up in the color Brunette 119E, and it says brow gel, tattoo, last all day. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. So let's get started. So I've seen people that actually have this. It came with like a little eyebrow brush, but mine didn't come with an eyebrow brush, so I'm just gonna use this brush that it came with. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in and show you how to do it. So there was no instructions, but I'm gonna go ahead and just paint it in. Okay, so you just kind of want to go along your eyebrow. I'm hoping you can see. I actually like it. I really like it. Okay. So this is a Wunder Brow, and this is not so Wunder Brow. It kind of looks like my eyebrow got a lift. Okay, so I'm pretty excited. Let me do a little bit more right here. And you can always thicken it as much as you want to make it darker in certain areas, which I don't like them too dark, but I love how it is. It kind of feels like a paste or something that it's putting. So let me, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, and I really love it. Like, this is the side that has the Wunder Brow, and this one's not. I really like it. I'm pretty excited. Okay, so let's do this side. I keep getting these. Okay, so let's do the second one, so this brow can be happy too. And I love how it goes on. It's kind of like you can layer it. I like as thick as you want it or as thin. Okay. So yes, I'm a fan. It looks really good, you guys. So yeah, my overall, I am highly impressed. I am excited that I found this product just because I love eyebrow products and eyelash products, obviously. But yeah, I'm excited. So yeah, if you, like I said, if you want to pick this up, I'll go ahead and link it down in the description box below. If you like videos like this, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And always, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.